Hello, I am Hitesh Pran from LabVIEW and Multisim. Let's explore the NI Learning Center. To open this page, you can search on the or you can write in URL box learn.ni.com. Okay, so you will get this page. Uh, we will go to the view as a view library later. Let's come down, scroll down, learn on your schedule, popular topic, explore full library or developing LabVIEW application. It is popular topic right now. Okay, find the right content of your goal so you can go to this learning path. Okay, and for here you can go for the individual classroom and books and certificates. Start your learning, so your learning library you can check out. Okay, if you achieve any kind of certifications, so you can track your certifications for these locations. Okay, and I product setup. Now let's see learning topic LabVIEW test 10 DAQ data acquisitions means uh, DIADM learning paths, learning format, learning path, lesson, live, virtual, and classroom. After that, teaching resources, circuit and electronics, control and mechatronics, measurement and instrumentations, wireless communications. Okay, it is learner dashboard. So let's go inside the learner dashboard. Okay, let's see what it will give to me. Let's see what I can use here. Okay, so it is my learner dashboard. You can see my name, Nitesh Pradhan. Okay, available 51, started to complete 61, 7 certificates. So let's check the certificate first. Okay, I'm not able to click this certificate. Okay, no worry. uh, your content progress and completion, so in progress, learn part 2 learning path. Okay, now here I'm going to click on this complete. Okay, now you can see measurement and okay, measurement fundamental, measurement voltage and current. Okay, okay, let's try to click this developing successful application. Okay, okay, now I can I think I can watch the video from this page.
Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will cover scalable, readable, and maintainable VIs, several different software development process models, the requirements for the course project, and the task analysis used to derive these requirements. Welcome to LabVIEW Core 3. In this course, you will learn to follow a software development process to design, implement, document, and test key application features in a manner that satisfies requirements for readability, scalability, and maintainability. The course is comprised of the following lessons.
So thank you for watching this video. If you find something useful, so please like this video, and you can come to this platform to watch this kind of lecture session. So thank you.